Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play call recordings on your Oppo phone. It's a straightforward process that lets you revisit important conversations whenever you need. We'll guide you through accessing these audio files directly from your device's native dialer application. This feature is typically available on Oppo smartphones running Color OS, ensuring a consistent experience across many models. Let's get started and make sure you can easily find those recorded calls. First, locate and open the phone's default dialer application. This is the app you use to make and receive calls. Once inside, you'll want to find the menu options. These are often represented by 3 vertical dots or sometimes a gear-shaped settings icon. Tap on this to reveal further options, which will lead us to your call history. After tapping the 3 dots or settings icon, a menu will appear. Look for an option labeled Call Recording and select it. Within this section, you should find another option, typically called View Call Recordings. Tapping this will display a comprehensive list of all the calls you have recorded on your device, organized for easy access. Now that you have your list of recordings, simply tap on any one to play it back. You'll also find options to manage these files, such as sharing them with others, deleting old ones to free up space, or renaming them for better organization. Remember to regularly check your storage, as recordings can take up space over time, especially if you have many saved conversations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.